channel. This is called Eureka. So this is my favorite stick vacuum. This is 3, 5, and 1. So I'm going to unbox it right now.
Be careful, okay?
Okay.
Don't cut yourself.
Look at his hair.
You need help? Lấy cái tay ra.
Here, I'll tell you him here.
No, em không cần.
No, không được đâu.
Wait, okay, here. I'll tell you.
This is called 3 in 1, not 5 in 1. Okay?
No.
It's okay, Kai. Để anh giúp đi.
Thank you.
Wow.
This is dusty base. Oh, a handle.
That's a wand.
Get this out. Where's the attachment?
Don't lose that. You're going to be losing so many parts with that robot.
Now, just do it. Guys, just do it now.
Bardiche.
Wait, a different. Which one?
It's the shoes. I never fixed it.
Now, my
Wait, unwrap
stick
it.
vacuum is
Unwrap it.
done.
If I unwrap.
Wow. He did it all by himself.
Without the manual.
Yes. Wow. Sam biết làm này hay vậy?
He knows how to put. He knows how to take things apart and put them
too.
back. But for me, I can't. I can take things apart, but I don't know how to put them back.
Wow. I didn't expect him to put it together that fast.
How long do you think it'd take him?
I don't know.
I already knew he'd do it this fast because he's a pro.
And what's that little part over there?
It's to hold the Actually, I have no idea.
Ty,
Oh.
cái đó ở đâu vậy con?
Oh, wait.
That's like Goyo Day.
So hard.
Don't force it. No. Go force now.
Don't you have to take the handle off?
Yeah, you do.
Right there. Wow. Good job. Then
Now it's done.
it's done.
Yeah, but first thing first. When I want to take out the bit, actually do it like that. It's hard to put back in. And it's tight.
And it's light.
Yeah, but it's a little bit heavy. But
Cái đó tên gì vậy?
Eureka. Yeah, it's about Eureka.
Wow.
Knock out make eye in one. Make eye in one. How many in one?
Don't lose any parts of that, okay?
Okay.
How many in one, Ty? Make eye in one.
1, 2, 3, 4.
3 in one?
Look, today's Halloween. He's wearing orange.
Look, it's Halloween and I'm wearing gray.
How's blue?
Okay, you want to try it?
Would you like to try it out, Tyler? How heavy is this? Oh, it's very light. Mom, it's enough for you. It's a good way for you, man. Em phải Ty, em muốn unplug it luôn. Thấy không?
Em muốn đem vô cái game room and test it không?
Yeah.
Ở ngoài đây Ty phải không?
Em muốn test ở đâu?
Yeah, I want it. No! I'm going to start without him.
Ty, you're going to clean up all this, okay?
Nói dạ thưa anh, không có stop ở đâu. Are you okay? Are you okay?
They're gonna laugh at me.
Mẹ mua cho em chưa có nói gì với mẹ.
I got more now.
At the 99 in English. Thank you, mommy.
Đi, em mình mua con gì rồi em mua poker card nha.
Now, please. Come on.
Our one of having Eureka. He's gonna break it.
Okay, are you done?
Not yet, but the cord is, it's
Tangled.
still tangled.
You wanna tell your parents home?
Đem vô phòng game try nè, hurry. Let's go. Just bring it to the game room and try it.
I want the poker cards.
Let's go.
But wait, no, it has this cord tangled.
And what is that attachment?
Oh.
Oh.
It's for that when you take that off. Nè. Thôi xem này. Ra cái này nè. Này lấy sang rồi nhá. Wait, how do I take this one out? I force it.
Oh,
Em có handheld
wow.
vacuum.
Oh, wow.
À, cảm ơn anh chưa?
I got one.
It's a 3 in 1 now.
Okay, try anh nhanh là mình đi nè.
We could use this as a handbag for the cord now. This one there.
Okay, let's go try it in the game room. Come on.
But I need to wrap this cord first. As the cord winder that winds up.
Cord winder?
Yeah.
Be careful.
Whoa.
Mẹ quay xong mẹ để lên YouTube để nữa lớn em xem, ok?
Chứ là em muốn xem nó.
Don't record me, I already know how ugly I look when I grow up.
Oh, cái đó là đừng có đó. Để the other way. Turn around.
No,
Turn it upside down.
Flip not upside down.
Yes. Wow, good job.
Now my job is done.
Your job is done?
No, not yet. One more thing. Try it out.
Bring it to the game room. Try it out. Let's go.
Yes, got it.
Got it? Okay, let's go.
Well, it might be not here. It's monkey.
Why did you put your clothes there, honey? Hello?
He's lazy. He's in.
Go put it in the laundry room.
Move.
And then mẹ chờ, okay? Fast.
Okay. Dạ chưa mẹ. Nhưng mà giúp em về đó thì cho em bụng. Thì em giúp em về cho em bụng em bụng.
Okay, hurry, mẹ chờ này.
Rồi mau lên để mà đi clean up nữa nè.
Okay. Try out fast. Đang là đi nè.
Okay.
I can do that for you.
It doesn't have
It doesn't have.
a battery, but it does have a handheld.
Okay. Go ahead and plug it in and try it.
I'm gonna go force this thing.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it. The best stick vacuum.
The best stick vacuum?
But this house stick vacuum it sucks and spit. But this one, it just vacuums.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And an on and off switch.
Okay, now plug it in, please.
But what if it turns on?
Plug it in. It turns on so you can try it.
No, it's off.
Okay. Ồ, con sợ nó bị rớt ra hả?
Nhưng mà em give it and you can vacuum again. See? Bigger than before, but this has this traditional handle, but this has a real handle. That was the real handle you said.
Okay. Okay, go ahead, plug it in, please.
But can em muốn mẹ cắm nó vào dùng em.
Okay.
Em
Dạ thưa mẹ.
em mẹ cắm nó vào cho em. Hãy thưa mẹ cắm nó vào cho em, please.
Okay. Okay, now. Do you go turn it on then?
Okay.
Go.
It works on stairs.
Oh, wow. Try it.
See?
Try it. Do you like it?
And yes.
Do you like this more than the other vacuum?
But I like it more better. But this one more better.
Okay. Okay, say. Okay, bye guys. I'll see you next time.
Okay, guys. I'll see you next time.
Gonna thank you for watching. Huh?
Thank you for watching. And you could see this next time later. But we could enter this into a handheld for the car.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Turn it to a handheld one for the car.
Yeah, simply press this. See? Even
Oh, wow. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Okay, bye guys.
Thank you for showing.
Thank you for showing, but this one even for stairs.
Em phải nói là thank you for watching, còn mẹ nói là thank you for showing là mẹ cảm ơn em, biết không?
Yeah. Thank you for watching. But this is for stairs too.
Oh, okay.
Bye,
Okay.
guys.
Okay, bye bye.